Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Imagine your online account is like your front door. You have a key, that is your password, to unlock it. But what if someone stole that key? That's where 2FA comes in. It's like adding a deadbolt to your door and an extra layer of security. Let's talk about something that hit me close to home recently. Getting hacked. Yep, that's right. My own LinkedIn account got compromised the other day. It was a huge headache and it could have been avoided if I could have just enabled 2FA. Don't let what happened to me happen to you. Take control of your online security. Why is 2FA important? With it, someone can hack your password but can't get into your account. 2FA usually involves a temporary code sent to your phone or generated by an app. This code is like a second key and only you have it. There are two main ways to activate two-factor authentication. That is using the Authenticator app, the likes of Google Authenticator and others that will get the job done for you. There's now the second method, that is using the SMS verification. This is less secure, but it's an option. Instead of an app, you'll receive a code via text message to your phone. 2FA is a simple but powerful way to protect your accounts. It takes just a few minutes to set up and it can make a huge difference in keeping your information safe. So, what are you waiting for? Go enable 2FA on your accounts. Actually, we are not stopping here. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll walk you through activating two-factor authentication on all your favorite social media apps, step by step, from Facebook, Instagram, X or Twitter, and even beyond. We'll make sure that your online life is locked down tight. Stay subscribed and follow us.